In our Tools menu, we took a look at the Activity Dashboard. Know that you can also access that through the Insights button next to your Share button. If I click on that, I can very quickly see the activity that's going on within my spreadsheet. Remember that it first shows me who this spreadsheet is shared with. Then I can click on All Viewers and see exactly who has looked at this spreadsheet. In the Viewer Trend, you can change the range. So by default, it's going to look at the last 14 days, but I can look at all time, and it'll go back to when I first created this spreadsheet, the last 30 days, or if I want a smaller range, I can look at the last 7 days. Your comment trend is also here. It'll let you know how many comments have been made, but know that you can change these charts. So you can look at a custom range if you would like, or you can click that drop-down arrow and you can look at the last 7, 14, 30 days, etc. You can also put your mouse over any of the data that is on the chart to see what comments have been made. In your sharing history, again, it's going to show you who this has been shared with and when, and then your privacy settings will allow you to turn on or off the ability for people to see when you have viewed